So if only 11%, over there it was 47% dropout, here it's 89% dropout. One of the reasons is not being able to afford tertiary education. There could be numerous reasons. Early marriages. You know, when I talk about the girls' hostel and how important and vital it is, remember that when we educate the girl child, we are educating the nation. Why? Because the girl child is the first teacher to the children being born at home. So if the child doesn't know how to read the Quran, she doesn't know how to read her salah, perform her salah, what is she going to pass on to her children? So primary school, secondary school, tertiary education. That's the situation and scenario in Badawi. 89% dropout from secondary school to tertiary education.